Yeah, this is a video on how to replace your carbon brushes for the Milwaukee 3¼ horse motor. Um, so if you end up noticing a lot of sparks or arcing in the switch housing here, that may be a good indicator that your brushes are going bad or wearing down. So you just grab a Phillips screwdriver, loosen these screws, and then, yeah, so you'll have to take the motor off of the motor plate. It's probably the best thing to do. And loosen these screws, and then you'll be able to remove the motor housing. And the brushes are located here and here. There's a pair of brushes. Good thing to do is grab maybe a flathead screwdriver, and you can get underneath and just pry it up here, and you'll see that this whole brush housing or holder is removed. And this is the carbon block that wears down. If this is down to 1/4 inch or less, I would recommend replacing the brushes. And basically it's held in there with this clip, and you can simply remove the whole brush with the carbon block. Like I said, if it's under 1/4 inch or less, you probably want to replace these. And then it simply just clips back on, and you'll see there's an attachment here that goes onto this prong on the motor here. And so pretty much have that in the correct position, and just push this carbon block in, and you should be able to slide it right back down. Make sure it's seated in place, and then just throw the motor housing back on there, and you should be good to go. All right, thank you. Hope that helps.